Right, it's time to harvest the potatoes. The tops have been died off for 3 or 4 weeks now. These are Picasso. I'm not expecting anything big because they had no water. Been that dry this year. The weeds survive. I've harvested a row of Jazzy and 2 rows of Charlotte. I've harvested those, but I didn't have my camera with me to record it, and my phone was flat, so I'll put a picture up what I had. Right, let's crack on and get some of these out. I haven't got my tripod, so I'll get some out and I'll bring you back. See the teeth marks in there. Right, I'll get these picked up and I'll show you what you got. Okay, there's the Picasso out. That's 3 rows all put into one. Not too bad, the potatoes, but I've had a lot of trouble with voles. I think they're going in the mole holes and just holler. You can see the teeth marks in them. So there's lots of little tunnels. So I just need to sort them out as I go along. Don't know if you can see that. See the teeth marks in there. Right, I'll get these picked up and I'll show you what you got. Morning all, welcome back to Nick's Allotment. Today I'm going to try and finish getting my potatoes out. I did start the other day, but I've got to bring my camera down, so I've done a bit on my phone, so I don't know how that'll turn out. Right, so let's crack on and get some potatoes out. Okay, so the first variety we're going to get out is Nicola. I'll just run in with my hand first so I don't stick the fork in, get out what I can. I have had trouble with voles, and they've been I think that what it is, there's moles have gone underneath after the worms, because I put plenty of farmyard manure down and it attracts the worms, so the moles come and then the voles go down the mole holes and then come along with potatoes, and hey presto, I've chewed them. I don't know if I've got a touch of blight on these. I don't know if you can see that. Going rotten, so I have to sort these out when I'm going along. They're not so big as usual this year, due to lack of rain. Saying that, that's the biggest one yet. And you can see, I don't know if that's voles, I don't think it is, whether it's slugs. But I just end up sorting through all my potatoes and I tried to pull all the little tiny ones out because I don't want them growing next year, because these are probably from some last year that I never got out, the little red ones. Well, not many on that one. Oh, a bit further along. Right, I'm going to carry on getting these out, and I'm going to bring you back because you've sort of seen it all before, me harvesting my potatoes and having rows, so I'll bring you back when I've finished them all. So the next variety after this will be ratte. So let's crack on and get them all out. That's the sun shining. Okay, these are the nicola. I think I've showed it before, but that's what the voles are doing. So, there, look. So, hit the big one with a fork. You always hit the biggest one, not the smallest. So those are the nicola. These are the rat, or ratty. Ain't too bad. These are probably one of my favourite potatoes, like salady potatoes. They're not big croppers. I'll save some of those for seed because it's hard to get the seed potatoes for those. Forgot what these are and what a neighbouring plot holder give me. And these are Kerr's Pink. They didn't crop very well. Probably half of these I should chuck away because they're really small, like these things. I know you can still use them, but I might do something with them. Right, let's go and have a look at the single seed potato challenge potatoes. Right, decided to do the potato challenge as a separate video, just make it a bit easier. So these are the potatoes. I grew from a little chit like that, just what you get off the potato. So we'll see what we got underneath these. See if it was worth doing. Bloody hell. Can't believe it. I don't think I'm going to buy seed potatoes ever again. Look at that. What a crop. Not got many on them, but they're lovely potatoes. I just stuck a fork in that one. Look at them. Should have put one in a pot, see if it done any better in a pot. Don't know what that looks like. Probably getting 3 or 4 potatoes off each one. These ones are Picasso. Right, I'll bring you back when I've got these out. We'll see what we got. Right, there we go, not bad. Better potatoes on here than what I've had where I've planted my seed potatoes. So these are just growing off eyes. That bit of white on it, it's I think it's mycorrhizal in the compost, what I've had them in to start with. Right, I'm just going to weigh these just for see what there was. So it really makes you think, growing potatoes like these and buying all your seed potatoes. You can grow them from a little chip like that, or all that lot in there were grown from a potato this size and it was just cut off chits. Okay folks, that's it for this one. Just about potatoes really, showing what I got. Thank you for Terry for sending me those condor. I should keep them again for seed next year and hopefully they get bigger. I'm going to crop on the pears. I need to start picking them. Right, so that's it for this one then folks. Catch you all next time. Thanks for watching, subscribing, commenting. So ta-ra for now.